Are you manufacturing electric vehicle? Are you developing charging stations? Are you worried to charge your electric vehicle? Do not worry. JT Mobility has solution of every need of electric charging. JT Mobility Pvt Limited is a Mumbai-based Indian manufacturer, design and develop electric vehicle charging components at international standards. We provide cost-effective reliable products and solutions like electric vehicle cables, Mode 3 charging cables, portable electric vehicle charger, electric vehicle plugs and sockets, and smart electric power meter. Our products are designed to meet several features like better conductivity, higher charging efficiency, arcing design, strong tolerance, more resistant to cold and heat, strong stability, and user-friendly.